Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is OPPO A15s, and in this video I am going to show you how to change screen recording sound settings on this device. Alright, so firstly to do this we have to just open our settings. Next we have to scroll down and here we have to click on the additional settings option. Now right here we have to click on the screen recording. And right here we can change sound settings, so we can choose if we want to record system sound or not. We can choose if we want to record microphone sound or not, so we can turn it on both at the same time or turn it off. We can manage them however we want to. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!